Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Capcut and importing the footage plus any sticker or image you want to attach to the face. Make sure the clip is trimmed to the segment where the face is visible, because shorter clips track more reliably. Once done, place the sticker or image on the timeline above the video layer and position it roughly over the face in the first frame. This initial alignment helps the tracker know what to follow. Now move to the tracking tool to begin. You select the overlay element and use Capcut's track or face track feature, choosing face-specific tracking when available, because it optimizes for facial landmarks. Set the start frame where the face is clearly visible and increase sensitivity if the subject moves quickly. Once the automated pass completes, scrub through the clip and manually adjust any frames where the overlay slips. Adjust position, scale, and rotation keyframes. This prevents floating stickers and keeps alignment natural. After corrections, play back to verify smoothness. You finalize by blending the overlay. Tweak opacity, add slight feathering or color match so it integrates with the face. This creates a believable result. Export a short test at your target resolution to confirm tracking holds and there are no dropped frames. If the overlay drifts, rerun tracking on shorter portions or insert manual keyframes where the auto track failed, because smaller intervals reduce error. One key tip: strong side lighting or occlusions cause drift, so retrack with a closer start frame if needed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.